why did you start buying gold or silver? So I want to talk about the purpose of why you started stacking, what the whole goal is here for you, what the ideas is behind it, purpose it's supposed to serve for you. And I want to cover this because there's a lot of hype, a lot of hysteria right now, and if you reflect back and start to think, go back to when you were clear-headed, before you started stacking, I find that's when people are thinking clearest. That's when they are the least emotional, when they first start moving towards something. There's a lot of emotion, a lot of hype, and hysteria, especially around silver. It's making Bloomberg, it's in the forefront of basically every investing journal, business news and all that. So for me, I started stacking as a way to, it's a speculative metal. I wanted to speculate on green energy, and this is kind of the way I do so. It's speculating on the industrial demand aspect behind silver. So for me, when I see everything being propped up like it is now, I just see it as, well, I've speculated before, why would I speculate after the price has risen? That's kind of the way I'm looking at it. Gold, the whole purpose of gold was to store wealth, hedge myself against inflation, physical savings for a rainy day. Hopefully I could pass it down to my son, and hopefully I don't need it to enrich my retirement. Hopefully I have other income set up for that, other investments that'll help fund that, and that's kind of the purpose of everything for me. But I'm seeing some people who mentioned their purpose to me before. I'm seeing a few of them start to change the purpose, and I'm a bit nervous seeing everyone changing their purpose like it is now. It tells me that the amount of hype and emotion out there is really gone up, and to me, because I've already speculated on this, I'm sure most of you have bought this a while back. Now is the time for silver to shine. To me, I just see it as, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a random guy on the internet telling you why I bought silver, why I bought gold, explaining the purpose behind it. But if I was buying before the pandemic and everything, that was the time to speculate with silver for me. Now since the price has gone up, mission accomplished. This is positive. This is great. This is fantastic. I just hope it goes up enough for me to cash out of silver, move some into gold. That's kind of what I'm looking forward to here if the gold to silver ratio goes low enough. And that's kind of where my mind is at. I'm kind of holding right now. I'm still going to be buying gold. Gold seems cheap to me. The amount of increase in money supply, I don't really care a whole lot about the price rise with gold. I see it as a relative commodity. It's a relative to the money supply. Therefore, it seems cheaper to me than a while ago. Silver seems more expensive. I'm gonna be moving to gold, so you guys all know. That is kind of the whole purpose of it. Buy low, sell high, right? That's kind of what I'm thinking. I know this might not seem high to you guys, but it doesn't seem low to me. And I'm not gonna buy right now because it's a higher price from what I'm used to buying at. Because I have been stacking for a while, but now since it's a higher price than I'm used to, I've already speculated with it. I just don't see the whole point of buying a speculative asset once the price has risen. Just my thoughts, just my opinions, but that's why I'm gonna just hold right now. I ain't selling, I'm not bashing silver or anything like that. I'm very happy about silver right now. I speculated with the metal, and the price has gone up. You can't be happy about that, right? So, for me, I'm just gonna be patient. I can be patient for a while. I'm not gonna be emotional. I'm gonna be buying gold. And I'm gonna hope that this reaches a gold-silver ratio where I can start to trade off for gold. And if you want to know my thoughts and opinions on the gold-silver ratio, links right up there in the description. or on screen, sorry, but yeah, go check it out. And yeah, this is just my thoughts, just my opinions. I'm not bashing silver. I own hundreds of ounces. I've got lots of silver. But I want to increase my gold. I don't want to speculate with a metal that's gone. I feel like I'd be ruining my price to earnings. I'm still going to be buying a little bit here and there, some collector pieces, but I'm not going to be stacking. I'll be collecting. Gold, I will be stacking. I will be probably doing a little bit of collecting with gold too, but mostly with silver. And that's kind of the update, my thoughts, why I started stacking silver, why I started stacking gold. I'd love to know why you guys started stacking silver, gold, one or the other, both. Please let me know, and is your strategy the same as why you started buying? When you started buying? What was the point back then? What's the point now? Is your purchases matching up with the entire purpose of why you started this journey? Is the purpose of the purchase now changed? Some things to think about. But that sums it all up. Stay positive. See you next time. Thanks. Bye.